Subscribe to Eckovation and press the bell icon to watch the latest technology videos first.
Hey guys, welcome back to this fantastic tutorial presented to you by Eckovation. In this video, we will see what are the top reasons to learn blockchain technology. Few things I'd like to put forward before this. Bitcoin is there since 2009. When Bitcoin was released, no one knew what is blockchain. The word blockchain wasn't coined yet. After 2009, we had something called Ethereum in 2015. Ethereum heavily used blockchain as a platform to build blockchain-based or decentralized applications. And then we had this whole explosion of blockchain in the technology industry. So let's see the reasons we should learn blockchain technology. So there is a analysis of the likelihood your company will implement blockchain technology in the next 3 years. Now, blockchain is not for everything. Blockchain is not the solution for everything, but it has a very good solution for many things, and it can be implemented in, especially in transactions. Transactions are the best implementations of blockchain technology, and every company deals in some transaction or the other. So here is a very brief analysis of how likely or not likely or neutral your company is going to use blockchain. So there are 41% very likely, which is the highest among 100%, 28% not likely, and 31% are neutral. They might think, they might hire a consultant for some period of time, a contract person who is a blockchain expert, to understand how blockchain can help. If they can help, they might move forward. If it cannot help, they might not go with blockchain technology. The greatest disruption results from blockchain initiative in the next 3 years. IoT processes. So with IoT, the IoT devices have to recognize their owners, who are the administrator or the controllers of the IoT devices. And with blockchain, we can very nicely prove that. Blockchain helps us prove the ownership of coins. The same way we can use it to prove the ownership of IoT devices. Trading, doing transactions, settling amounts, deposit transactions, blockchain will be a big part of it. Cybersecurity risk, obviously, because it provides you with an immutable database and a single source of truth. Contracts. So blockchain helps us with a programmable currency, and that programmable currency is embedded into contracts, which is why it is called as smart contracts. So with having such programmable contracts where we can easily program a currency, for example, insurance. Now you had taken a travel insurance for an airline. For any reason, there is a delay in the airline or the flight get cancelled, you can easily claim insurance on the spot. You don't have to wait for for the airlines or for a third party to verify your claims. You don't have, the wait time has been reduced. The number of people executing the insurance claim is reduced with the help of contracts, because it is programmed with in the computer itself. The computer is going to execute the transaction on the basis of certain predefined parameters. Percentage of TMT companies, that is technology, media, and telecom companies, that report moderate or significant investment in blockchain. Technology pretty obviously are very much into blockchain technology, that is up to 15%. Broadcast media 6%. In media we don't have much of use of blockchain, pretty obvious. But when it comes to digital marketing for blockchain and writing articles and helping blockchain to getting to the community, media plays a big role. Telecommunication, blockchain being invested approximately 14%, and all industries is 9%, which involves energy, automation. Likelihood that blockchain will change the way your company does business in the next 3 years. Now this is seriously very likely. Blockchain will make a huge impact on money, on the money we use, on the currencies which we are using right now, which is not at all transparent, which is really susceptible to inflation, and it is just controlled by few people. Very likely your company will change the way they are doing business because of blockchain. Okay, or less than 30%, that is 27 not likely, and 24% is still neutral. Top benefits with adopting blockchain technology. So when you're dealing with transactions and you expect instant transaction finality, their blockchain plays a huge role. and it will help improve your business efficiency, where you feel there is a third party taking huge commission, huge fees for the operations execution. You can use blockchain. These are the two main places where you want to remove a third party and you want to have a transaction, cross-border transaction with instant finality. What is instant finality? That when you do a transaction, there is a sender and the receiver. So there is no chance of a transaction reversal. The receiver cannot expect, or in any case, the receiver don't have to think that his transaction, what he received, will get reversed. Now, for example, if there is a fraud transaction done by a stolen credit card, so some person can reverse that transaction. The bank will reverse that transaction. So the receiver will be at loss. Product and services differentiate. Obviously, with blockchain, many things will change. We will have more transparency, more verification, more auditability. Cost reduction, if you are removing third party, this is going to be bound to happen. New business insights from incremental data. The biggest challenges with adopting blockchain technology in the next 3 years: unproven business case. So everyone is coming with a solution, but it is not yet proved. We have all the big companies, all the big four companies, all the IT companies, the supply chain companies like DHL, Accenture, Wipro, you name it. They have made a blockchain use case on paper. They have a whole research of blockchain, but no one has yet proven it by creating an application and making it work and showing that it is better than the current application. There are few applications obviously which are very much better than many of the current applications, but still it is not proven. Many applications are not proven, like supply chain and other applications. Technology complexity. So the technology is pretty difficult to handle because there is a huge computational cost at the expense of human, lack of capital to fund new investment. So nowadays blockchain projects are very expensive. The developers are charging a lot to develop a blockchain project. So that's why we don't have companies showing a lot of eager to jump into blockchain right now. Once it gets slightly cheap, then people will start developing and applications for their own companies using blockchain technology. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you next time, guys. Bye.